How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add video in Behance Portfolio. Now, to make things easier, I'm using the Adobe Portfolio from Behance itself. And basically, it will then take us to this page. Now, to add our own customized video, I'm going to add a page on my portfolio first, since this is a brand new portfolio that I've been working on. In here, I'm going to click on page, and then let's name this into something like video. Click create page, and then it will take you to this section. Now, you can choose the element that you want to add onto your page. And so in here, we have the video option. Just click on video, look for the video that you want to upload. So let's say we want to upload something like this videos right here. You can just simply click on it and you will be able to go ahead and upload them right away. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.